Today we're going to make potato crusted salmon with garlic butter calamansi sauce. So the ingredients we need today is salmon fillet, grated potato, baby radish, tomato and wine, garlic, Brussels sprout, spring onions, purple capsicum, egg, red chili, salt, pepper, white wine, calamansi juice, butter, and edible flowers for the plating later. So the first thing we're going to make is we're going to prepare the ingredients. We're going to cut the Brussels sprout into two. And we're going to slice spring onions, very thin slice. Put it in a bowl. We're going to brunoise the red chili. Fine brunoise. Dice the capsicums. So the saute veggie. Take the skin slowly. Keep the skin for the frying later. We're going to cut into two. And now we're going to season a little bit of white pepper and salt on both sides. This side. Just leave it aside. And we have here spring onions, brunoise red chili, chopped garlic, and we're going to add in some grated potato, Just combine it with some white pepper, salt, combine with egg, just a little bit. We're going to place the salmon right top, just like this. Make sure it's nice and even and not too thick, otherwise you won't be able to cook it properly. More there. Potato side down slowly. We won't break the potato. Let the potato to brown well. Now we're going to flip the salmon. And then the chopped garlic. Going to degrade with white wine. We're going to add calamansi juice. Season with salt, pepper, and off the heat. Once you're off the heat, we add in the butter. Melted. Right inside. Now we're going to add the veggie. The oil. Going to blanch the Brussels sprout. A few seconds. butter, garlic, saute the garlic, season it, salt and pepper, just soak.
One, two, three, go.
Veggies okay. Now we check out the salmon. Okay, we done. Put up plating. Put tomato. Veggies aside. The sauce. Garlic butter sauce. Garnish. And now the salmon, perfectly cooked. Then our edible flowers aside. Spring onion right on the top.
I am studying passionate about different cuisines. I am studying culinary arts and learn different types of cuisine. I have 3.5 years that experience in this, and I am ready for any open position that suits my experience. Thank you. Moving up to uni 1 year of experience. Then I joined Movida as a Commis 1, and I got promoted as chef de partie in the same year as H1A, and then straight to the sous chef after a year. I place high importance on my food preparation as I try to provide only best food to my customers and are always positive in receiving my guests' response and feedbacks. I have chosen to be different in Malaysia. As you can see, rarely an Indian girl in Malaysia would pursue in culinary work, but I choose to be different and follow my own path. I am highly passionate about learning different cuisines, so it is about the time for me to learn different types of cuisine in other countries. And I'm ready for any open position that suits my experience. Thank you.